new unboxing of a bluish FP Journe box. Let's see what we got. Nice little card. I guess this is a instruction manual or something. Pretty cool. How to set it. A little wiping cloth and an absolutely beautiful, beautiful watch box. I don't even know what kind of wood this thing is, but my God, it's impressive looking. I don't know my trees that well, but this is pretty. And there it is. Looks like it got shifted a bit, but the CF Blue. I should say the FPJ Chrono Blue. It's gorgeous. I'll take this off here. Let's see if we can unwrap it with one hand. Okay, it's that sticky tape. There we go. Did a good job with this. Jeez. Let's get a look at that movement, which is crazy. The tantalum has heft that you wouldn't expect. Chrome. It's a beauty. The detail is crazy.